Number 1. 1972 GMC Fleetside Longbed Truck, $2,400, Yakima, Washington. This 1972 GMC Fleetside Longbed is a dependable early 70s work truck powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. It runs and drives well and is equipped with power steering, power brakes, and front disc brakes. Despite an odometer rollover, the truck has a clean title and mostly functional original equipment, making it a practical hauler or straightforward classic driver. Number 2. 1977 GMC Silverado K10 1500, $2,500, Bonners Ferry, Idaho. This 1977 GMC Silverado K10 square body features full-time four-wheel drive and a 350 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor. It starts easily and runs strong with minimal rust and a clean title. Interior work and a windshield replacement are needed, but its long bed layout and four-wheel drive make it ideal for restoration, snow plowing, or rural use. Number 3. 1964 Ford F100 Custom Flatbed Dump, $4,000, Fair Oaks, California. This 1964 Ford F100 Custom is a rare flatbed dump truck powered by a V8 engine and manual transmission. It runs well and the dump mechanism operates correctly. While cosmetic work is needed, recent carburetor rebuilding and a diamond plate bed add value, making it a unique and functional vintage project. Number 4. 1988 Ford F-250, $2,500, Centerville, Washington. This 1988 Ford F-250 is a heavy-duty pickup equipped with a 460 cubic inch V8 and 5-speed manual transmission. Family-owned since 1996, it has received regular maintenance and recent ignition and cooling system service. The rust-free body is a major plus, and despite minor mechanical issues, it remains a capable and affordable work truck. Number 5. 1988 GMC C3500 Single Cab Long Bed, $2,100, Sparks, Nevada. This 1988 GMC C3500 is a government-maintained single cab long bed with documented original mileage. Powered by a 5.7-liter V8 and automatic transmission, it has recently been serviced with new fluids, battery, and air conditioning components. Known for durability and towing strength, this truck is ready for immediate work use. Number 6. 1983 Chevrolet S10 Pickup, $3,499, Silverton, Oregon. This 1983 Chevrolet S10 is an early compact pickup powered by a new GM Crate 2.8-liter V6. It includes air conditioning and power steering, along with original paint and a clean California title. With light cosmetic wear, it is a solid driver or modification platform, as early S10s remain popular for their simplicity and versatility. Number 7. 1978 Ford Courier Short Wheelbase Pickup, $3,500, San Antonio, Texas. This 1978 Ford Courier is a compact pickup powered by a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. It runs and drives but requires engine work, placing it firmly in project territory. With a clean title and relatively low mileage showing, it offers good potential for restoration or customization. Number 8. 1972 Ford F-100 Project Truck, $1,800, Tucson, Arizona. This 1972 Ford F-100 is a major project featuring a four-wheel drive conversion using General Motors axles and suspension. The original Ford 300 inline-six engine runs but is not currently installed. With many parts included and a clean title, it is best suited for an experienced builder planning a custom four-wheel drive build. Number 9. 1976 Dodge Power Wagon W600, $3,500, Yuma, Arizona. This 1976 Dodge Power Wagon W600 is an ex-military four-wheel drive truck powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 and manual transmission. It starts, runs, and moves under its own power, but needs brake and cooling system repairs. Known for extreme durability, it offers a strong base for restoration or off-road use. Number 10. 1963 Dodge D300 Dump Truck, $3,000, Tempe, Arizona. This 1963 Dodge D300 dump truck is a former City of Tucson vehicle powered by a six-cylinder engine and manual transmission. It is a non-running project requiring towing and significant mechanical work. Best suited for collectors or builders interested in vintage municipal or industrial trucks. Number 11. 1973 Ford LN600 dump truck, $800, Yuma, Arizona. This 1973 Ford LN600 medium-duty dump truck features a small block gasoline engine and Clark manual transmission. It starts, runs, and drives but needs brake and steering repairs. With recent maintenance and a clean Arizona title, it represents exceptional value as a restoration project or farm truck. Number 12. 1962 Ford F100 Unibody Longbed, $8,500, Tijeras, New Mexico. This 1962 Ford F100 Unibody Longbed is a desirable classic powered by a 460 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include a high-rise intake and locking rear differential. It runs and drives very well with only minor rust, making it a strong driver-quality unibody with long-term collector appeal.